Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Photopea tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your images pop with 3 easy steps in Photopea. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have your image that you want to make it really stand out, which I do here. And I'm using Fortnite as the example because there's a lot of vibrant colors, but we can make it stand out even more. So once you have your image selected, and this works with real life pictures, game pictures, whatever. Once you have it selected, go down here to this circle with a slice cut out of it straight down the middle. Click on that and you'll see there's curves right here. So click on curves, and now there's a new window that pops up. And you can see it says channel RGB. So you just want to click that, go down to red. And these are the levels for the red color in the picture. There's green and blue. And we're going to be messing with red, green, and blue, not RGB. So go to red. And there's this line. And you can adjust this line however you want. So you could turn the red all the way up, but we're not going to. We're just going to go on this line right here and move this circle a little bit below this line, the bottom line. So about right here. And we're going to do the same for up here to form kind of an S shape. So this will make the red stand out, but not too much. And the trick is, if you do it with all red, green, and blue, it will work together and really make all the colors stand out together rather than just one color dominating the rest. So do the same with green and blue. So now if we hide this layer, you can see the difference. So this is after, before, after. It's subtle, but it's definitely a big difference. And what you can do to make it stand out even more is just move the circles up and down. But be careful not to go overboard with it, because you can go overboard with it really fast. It doesn't take much. Oops. So you can see I move them all a little bit more. And this is with it, this is without it. So that's how you do it really easily in Photopea. I know this is a short one, but this is an important one as well. So whenever you have your game backgrounds, make sure to do the curves on it. And you could even go down to the circle again, go to brightness and contrast, and just mess with that a bit, because it was a little bit dark. So you can lighten it up, and that's all you got to do. So hopefully it's helped you guys. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.